The first chart presents GBP NSD. Currently, the immediate resistance is near 2.21845, while the immediate support level are around 2.17172 and 2.18484. Give the price action is level looks favorable for potential sellers. A pullback entry is also an option with a stop loss placed above 2.21845. As for our target, we are looking at 2.17172 as the first level and 2.18484 as the next. The second chart presents NST-USD. Currently, the immediate resistance is near 0.57846 and 0.58703, while the immediate support level are around 0.55949. Given the price action, this level looks favorable for potential buyers. A pullback entry is also an option with a stop loss placed below 0.55949. As for our target, we are looking at 0.57846 and 0.58703. The third chart presents UT100. Currently, the immediate resistance is near 22,211.6, while the immediate support level are around 21,381.9. Give the price action is level looks favorable for potential buyers. A pullback entry is also an option with a stop loss placed below 21,381.9. As for our target, we are looking at 22,211.6. The fourth chart presents XAUUSD. Currently, the immediate resistance is near 2,945.41, while the immediate support level are around 2,863.77 and 2,817.2. Given the price action is level looks favorable for potential sellers, a pullback entry is also an option with a stop loss placed above 2,945.41. As for our target, we are looking at 2,863.77 and 2,817.02. Our fifth chart presents XAG-USD. Currently, the immediate resistance is near 32.6594, while the immediate support level are around 13.6648 and 31.5046. Given the price action is levels looks favorable for potential sellers, a pullback entry is also an option with a stop loss placed above 32.6594. As for our target, we are looking at 30.6648 and 31.5046. Our last chart presents US oil. Currently, the immediate resistance is near 72.201, while the immediate support level are around 69.7164 and 68.9160. Given the price action is level looks favorable for potential sellers, a pullback entry is also option with a stop loss placed above 72.2041. As for our target, we are looking at 69.7164 the first and 68.9160.